If we could fill the pool, I could train and win a gold medal too. But no, there's a water shortage and we don't have enough water for people, plants, animals, and pools too. Woo!
Team, this just in! Brace yourselves!
I think he meant that literally.
Whoa! Everyone okay?
What was that?
As you know, here in the future, we have a severe water shortage.
Which reminds me, can we move?
Yes! Our mayor put the city on wheels so we can chase rain clouds.
So we can have fresh water whenever we want? Cool idea!
But what was that crash?
But our mayor's still learning to drive this thing. That was us getting into a fender bender with another city.
What a mess! We can't live in a city on wheels.
But we can't live without water either.
We must stop this water problem before it gets completely out of hand. Your mission, go back in time and...
Take the future back!
Rewind the clock with Galapagos X. We're from the future, so we know what comes next. So gear up and go, put the pro in protect. We're Galapagos X, and we're taking it back. Galapagos X, and we're taking the future back. Taking the future back.
Look, water everywhere.
How do we get from this water wonderland to the thirsty future?
What was that?
Ew, Crock spit!
Crock's Waterworks. Let's check it out.
The sweet sound of running water.
Boss, time for your big press speech about the water games.
Ah, yes. My people await.
Boss, mind if I turn off the taps before we go?
And silence my relaxing waterfall sounds? I don't know. Do you like me when I'm tense, Quinn?
Oh, I do not, boss.
Thank you all for coming. We at Crock Industries are so excited to bring you the Crock Wondrous Water Games from here in my humble backyard. Every week, we bring you your new favorite sports, only wetter, like soggy shot put, the 100-meter splash, and marathon showering. So, check out Crock's Wondrous Water Games. They're a blast.
What a waste of water! No wonder we have shortages in the future. We have to stop her. Crock, you have to stop your wasteful water games.
What? Why?
There's only one explanation. They haven't heard of fun.
I don't think they've heard of fun, boss.
Nope. It's because your water games waste precious water.
Precious? There's water everywhere. We're surrounded by it. Haven't you heard of the ocean?
I don't think they've heard of the ocean, boss.
We mean fresh water. The ocean is salt water. You can't use salt water for drinking or watering plants.
Bobby, explain.
If this was all the water on Earth, this one drop is how much we can actually use for plants, animals, and us.
Does that water glass make you thirsty, Quinn?
On it, boss.
Begone, children. I own the water company, so the more people use water, the richer I get. My wondrous water games will go on.
Not with us five stopping you.
5? I count 4.
Wait, where's Oshi? Oshi, doing?
Research?
You're a good swimmer, kid, but are you good enough for gold?
Sure am. Watch.
Guess your team is divided. He enjoys water like the rest of us.
You won't get away with this.
Already have.
So now we have to stop the games and get Oshi back?
Maybe my dad can help. Dad, did I catch you at a bad time?
No, just stuck in city traffic.
Wait, other cities have dried up too? Even ones without Croc's water wasting games? Why?
No one knows. But Atlanta just cut us off. I gotta go.
Zeph, what's happening in Winnipeg and Atlanta right now?
Here's the local news.
I'm training for Doc Croc's showering marathon, like on TV.
When I brush my teeth, I leave the water running just like a gold medalist.
I guess people have taken Croc's water-wasting message to heart.
But a couple of kids leaving the tap running isn't gonna cause a water shortage in the future.
Not just 2 kids, no. But what if Croc inspired all the kids?
And all the adults.
And each of them wasted a little water every day for years?
All that water would really add up and make Croc really rich.
That's obviously her plan. I wish Oshi could see this.
Super secret inventions room. Keep out. Super secret inventions room. Keep out. Super secret
Hello?
inventions room.
Whoa,
Keep out.
look at all these water-wasting inventions.
What a shiny, clean car every time you touch it. The Croc single-dish dishwasher. The Croc always flushing toilet.
Soon she'll have the whole world wasting water till there's no clean water left. Team, come in. Uh-oh.
Stop.
Oshi, it's you. Ugh, bad connection. Sounds like you're underwater or something?
I found out something. These games are just the start of Croc's water-wasting plans.
We know. Oshi, look out behind you. Oh no, I hope he's okay.
Nobody can outswim Oshi, not even a robot.
Now who's ready to sabotage some water games?
Receiving data transmission. Stand by.
It's something called Hackbot V1?
You keep an eye on her. In the meantime, let's get to the games.
Welcome to the first wondrous water games, sponsored by me. We all love water, so let's get out there and make a huge splash.
Don't listen to her! If we keep wasting our fresh water, we're going to be in trouble.
You! What are you doing? Henchbot? Seize him now.
Download complete.
Cool! What does it do?
Let's find out.
Oh no! What's happening?
We're Galapagos X, and we'd like to welcome you to the Water Saving Games with all new water saving events. Events like speed showering.
Hey, where are you taking me?
The larger laundry load up. Fill that washer. Do fewer loads.
The wrench relay! Fix leaky taps. No more drip.
And finally, the toothbrushing tap turn off.
No! You have to leave the tap turned on. Oh, it's my favorite water waster. Henchbots, block them.
Whoa, the master water supply.
Look at them leisurely brushing their teeth as water goes down the drain and money goes into my pocket. No! Oh, kids! They've ruined my games!
Uh-oh. Boss, the new water-saving games are catching on. Water use is going down.
And so is my bank account. No!
Boss, was that you throwing in the towel? Literally?
Yes, Quinn. I need a new money-making scheme.
I'll make you a smoothie, boss. You scheme better with a smoothie.
And that concludes the first ever water saving games. Now let's all hit the speed showers.
Looks like we saved the future again, team. But there's one thing I don't get. How'd we get that secret code to hack the henchbot?
Just good luck, I guess.
I don't know. It seems someone must be looking out for us. But who?
Let's have a meeting about that in the pool.
We're never gonna get him out of there, are we?
Nope.
Rewind the clock with Galapagos X. We're from the future, so we know what comes next. So gear up and go, put the pro in protect. We're Galapagos X and we're taking it back. Galapagos X and we're taking the future back. Taking the future back.